Casa Azul, 5% alcohol, 100 calories, is 0.1 carbs.
This is the 25th edition of the Katy Sip N Stroll event. This is a true party with a purpose because we raise these funds for the Ballard House, who assists people in a cost-free home-like environment while they go through treatments for serious medical conditions. So we get to eat amazing food, try over 300 beverages, have shuttles pick you up from your car, take you to the front entry, take you back to your car, and just have a great experience right here in Katy, Texas.
Hi, I'm Alyssa. This is the Boar's Head new Firesmith chicken that we just got this month, and we also have our hard salami that we have at our sample at Sip N Stroll.
I don't understand the things that I do, no.
This is my first time coming to the Katy Sip N Stroll. I've had such a great time trying out all kinds of new wine and food. I really loved going to Pearl and Vine, trying out their latest meatball, and I've gotten quite a bit of merch, as you can see, and it's been great just socializing and having a good time.
Yeah, I've been here a couple years now, and I always love coming out to the Katy Sip N Stroll. It is always so much fun. You get to try out new foods and new wine, and you really get to know the community a little bit. It's a really great event. We love coming here every single year, and I can't wait to see what next year has in store.
Can't wait for next year.
Woo!
Cheers.
Cheers.
Fat Eatery and Mala Szechuan tied for second place.